I'm Jerry Posnack, Managing Director of Jeeves, Manhattan's foremost luxury dry cleaning brand. And this is how to get the roll or wrinkles out of a wool scarf. You're getting dressed, it's freezing cold out, you want to put a scarf on and you notice that your scarf has fallen off the hanger in the back of the closet and it's a wrinkled mess. You need to know what to do so you look great when you go out. Step one is you're going to need a steamer to get the wrinkles out of your scarf. Step two, you're going to plug your steamer in and wait for it to preheat. You'll know it's ready to use when a little bit of steam comes out of the head. Step three would be to take your scarf and put it over a hanger. A wire hanger is not a good idea. Something that would be for pants would be preferable so it doesn't slip. Step four, you're going to take your steamer, you're going to place it a few inches from the fabric. With your other hand, you're going to pull the fabric taut and you're going to gently use the steam back and forth in order to release all the wrinkles. You're going to turn it around and do the other side. It would be step five. When you're done, let it dry a little bit, put it on, you're ready to go. Now you know the steps to get the wrinkles out of your scarf, so those pesky wrinkles don't spoil your fabulous winter look.